How to use Grab for airport pickup or drop off. First of all, open your Grab app and make sure you are logged in. Now, to request a ride, tap on the transfer service from the home screen. You will see an option to choose your pickup location. Type in the airport's name or use the map to drop a pin at the airport. For pickup, make sure to select the correct terminal. Airports are usually large and each terminal has its own pickup zone. Grab will show you the designated pickup areas, so follow the signs when you arrive to meet your driver. For drop off, the process is quite similar. Enter your destination address and Grab will guide you to the closest drop off point at the airport. Some airports have specific drop off zones, so it's a good idea to confirm the details before you reach the airport. Once the ride is booked, you will see the driver's details and estimated arrival time. You can contact your driver through the app if necessary. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grab for airport pickup or drop off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.